The iX3.
So for this car, and we're trying to go in the customer's mind and transfer their needs and wishes together with the engineers to this great product.
The iX3, so it's the electrical brother of the X3?
Exactly.
Okay.
So it's our latest member to complete the X3 family. So we have now for our customers, we call it the full power of choice, next to the diesel, the petrol, the PHEV, and now the all-electric version. So depending on the customer's needs, you can go for exactly this variant that suits your driving behavior and driving style best.
So Rebecca, let's talk about the engine. Tell me a little bit more about that.
So here it's our 5th generation of eDrive technology, and with that we really take efficient dynamics to a new level. What we do have here is that the electric drive unit really comes without any rare earth materials. Also the power density increased by up to 30%.
Okay, and tell me, are electric engines really sustainable?
Our engineers have managed to construct the electric drive unit without rare earth materials. And also in our high voltage battery, we managed to reduce the percentage of cobalt by more than 2/3.
Oh, wow, that's impressive. The iX3, what is new?
I mean, we see it at first sight,
Yeah.
the kidney for sure.
Yeah.
So with the kidney, we have nicely blue BMW iX accents that are all around the car. And also we completely redesigned the front to a new, more modern and fresh look, a more digital look, as we call it, because of the closed surfaces. And then also we have it at the side.
Okay.
So if we move to the side, you see here our BMW air breather with the BMW i logo, so you instantly recognize it as the all-electric model, and also at the door cladding.
Oh yeah, very cool.
Yeah.
And the rims look closed, like they're aerodynamic rims, right?
Exactly, but newly designed aerodynamic rims, so they come with also improved functions. They are 15% lighter, so they also have a lower air resistance. And in doing so, you can get up to plus 10 kilometers e-range in WLTP.
Okay, 10 kilometers more e-range means sums up to how big is the range?
You can drive up to 460 kilometers in that WLTP range.
Okay, very cool. Can I have other rims?
For sure. We make choice for our customers really easy. So we have two models, Model Inspiring as a base variant and Model Impressive, as you see here.
And standing here I can see there are 3 cameras. So the iX3 has Driving Assistant Professional instead of Driving Assistant Plus with the normal X3, right?
Yeah, so what's the difference is that we have a great value for money package that we offer to our customers. So the Driving Assistant Professional you already get in the base version.
Oh, what else do we have in the base version?
So yeah, not only this, you also get the BMW Live Cockpit Professional with the full digital instrument cluster.
Very cool.
Also, you see it here at the top, the panorama glass roof.
Okay.
So this is already coming as standard as well. And then some highlights in the interior.
Okay, then let's talk about the interior. Can we have a closer look? Oh, okay. Looks like nearly like a conventional X3.
That's true, but have a second look here.
I can see the blue start-stop button.
Yeah, so maybe I'll show you this first.
Yeah. Oh,
so
cool.
That's our new start sound that was composed together with Hans Zimmer. It's not only that we get the sound when pushing the start-stop button, but we also have an iconic sound electric while driving.
Okay, very cool. I can see also something blue on the gear shift. Oh yeah, there is a B instead of a S.
So this is something what we now newly introduced. It's the B stands, so to say, for brake. And what you can choose is the maximum recuperation when going into the B mode.
And what is this adaptive mode?
Well, that's my personal highlight. Okay. So when driving the car, the adaptive mode automatically adjusts the level of recuperation. So for example, if you have traffic in front of you, it recuperates stronger. If you are on a highway and there is like a freeway to go, it goes into a coasting mode. So we always, or the car chooses always the most efficient way, and in doing so also increases the e-range best for the customer.
Okay, very cool. So let's talk about hard facts. Horsepower.
Yes, 286 horsepower.
Okay, 0 to 100?
6.8 seconds.
And torque?
That's the right question. So we have 400 Newton meters of torque.
Oh, okay.
And this with the BEV right from the start. So when you go in the car, as soon as you press the pedal, you will really get that electric drive feeling that is so special for this car. So really you should go for a try.